Hello guys, welcome to my channel Amazon GF. Today we will talk about the new Samsung Galaxy S20 5G factory unlocked new Android cell phone US version with 128 GB of storage and fingerprint ID and facial recognition and long-lasting battery and US 1-year warranty. By Samsung. Look at its Designet 3 Ultra camera as well as it is too much slim. I think is best mobile at $794.99 and you can also get 10% discount by clicking the link in description. So, let's talk about its configuration. So it is available in different color like Cosmic Gray and Cloud Blue and Cloud Pink and Cosmic Black. But I recommend you Cloud Blue, it is too much beautiful. And it is available in different storage like 128 GB and 512 GB. Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra power of 5G. Get next level power for everything you love to do with Samsung Galaxy 5G, share more, game harder, experience more and never miss a beat. Single take AI, capture video and multiple types of IM. High-res camera zoom, capture high-res images as if you're 3 feet away, from 100 feet away. Whether you want to zoom in close from afar or magnify details nearby, the new 30x space zoom gives you impressive power and clarity. Bright night mode, capture crisp images and vibrant video in bright night mode and create high quality content in low light, no flash needed. Super fast charging. Charge up quicker with super fast charge so you can keep moving with more juice. Give your buds, or Galaxy Buds, a boost of power with wireless power share right from Galaxy S20 5G. All-day battery. Galaxy S20 5G's intelligent battery uses an algorithm to learn from how you live to optimize power and take you through a day or more of work and life without ever giving out on you. Massive storage. Generous storage out of the box and expandable memory means you never have to delete what's important to you. Memory cards sold separately. So go through the link in description and get 10% and buy it. And we will meet you in next video, so subscribe Amazon GF to get more video and discount, and if you like this video so please like and share my video. Goodbye.